my first day of the season.
Oh, boy.
I go to Colorado in 2 weeks. I needed a warm-up.
Oh, good for you.
So, yeah.
Where are you going?
It was nice. Vail Beaver Creek.
Vail and Beaver Creek.
Yeah.
Nice.
My brother's got a little place out there. I'll stay with him.
Oh, I've never skied out west yet.
Oh, it's warmer. The snow is softer. The mountains are bigger. Other than that, it's the same.
How about the altitude change? Does it take time to adjust?
You have to hydrate. Like I have a Camelback. I have a water pack on my back, which you don't need here. You drink a lot of water.
Good idea.
And that's really the whole key to it.
Now, do you bring your skis, or do you get powder skis?
I don't bring skis anymore. You know, by the time you pay to ship them back and forth, I'll demo brand new ones when I'm out there. I'll bring my boots, of course. You know.
Yes.
But
good.
yeah, I leave the skis and poles home now.
That's what I thought I would do. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the boots, you know, we don't want to try on other boots and
No,
take a chance.
definitely not.
Especially since these are custom sized and everything.
So that, you know the mountain pretty well here?
It's first time in a long time, but I skied yesterday.
Oh, you skied yesterday. So I heard that's closed. That's usually a nice run.
Oh yeah, that's
And
definitely closed.
This is Claire's, and then over, what's the next one over? Do you know?
Way out?
Well, way out I just skied from that new area. Is it like a Taylor's or something? So there's Claire's. Like, what are the choices on this side? Do you know?
Just Claire's Way.
Oh, that's the only thing open.
And the one that you came down.
And what?
And ways out to the one that you came out. Way out.
I just skied that. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. Okay.
And there's a little bit of a branch off on the top of Claire's Way. It comes back into it.
How's that? Oh, is that little Taylor thing or something?
Yeah, that one's
It's a left?
icy.
Oh, you make a left and it comes back in?
Yeah, that one is very skied off.
Very what?
Icy.
Oh, then I'll skip it.
Yes.
I want good snow. All right. I'd like to take another run on the front. I just don't know what the lines are going to be like there. It's a pleasure skiing right up here.
Yep. That's why I skied the new north side yesterday.
Yeah, I was just over there, so it was nice.
Is this ever open?
I don't know.
I think the sun hits it probably.
I think that if it gets enough snow, it would be, but those trees are getting pretty big.
Also, Highlands is another abandoned area.
Oh.
Over at Hunter 1.
Surprised everything isn't open. It's been so cold this winter. Not a lot of, not a lot of natural snow, but
yeah,
nice they're focusing on keeping certain things open.
Oh, I see a little snowmaking equipment on that side, but not on this side.
Yeah, but it looks like they're not even trying, you know.
No.
They just left this one for dead.
So these trees here are getting pretty big.
Yeah, sometimes mountains just give up on their trails. This would need a lot of snow, a lot of water it would take to make snow on this.
Maybe they have like a farm type cutter that can come up here and cut all these trees.
Ready?
Yes.